about to board the boat. We're doing a snorkeling tour here in Cancun. So I'll take you guys along for the adventure. Whew. It is hot and humid.
Tengo contadas las horas, es mi vida, eso es toda mi aurora. Lo que quiero es amor, nada de compasión. No, no, no lo sé si tú sabes que te quiero pero no lo ves. Yeah, hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé. Superaba lo que te hice a ti. Pasará me dijo la tristeza. Si hubiera replay cambiaría por ti, porque te amo, baby. Es que el corazón no entiende por qué hace tanto dolor. Fueron errores que te marcan y cantarán a grito la canción. Qué pena que esto se volvió una condena, pero eso no me frena, que fueras ajena. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé. Soñé que era esos días que tenía tu compañía. Desperté y no era como antes, que los errores de mi vida nunca fueron culpa mía. Y el destino quiso traicionarme, pero me di cuenta demasiado tarde que por esas vainas te perdí a ti. No estuvo en mi mente hacerte sufrir, ni en mis pesadillas dejarte ir. Yeah, yeah. Qué pena que esto se volvió una condena, pero eso no me frena, que fueras ajena. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy.
Good morning. This is our last day here in the beautiful Riviera Maya. We are in Cancun. I just wanted to show you guys this boutique hotel that we're staying at called Casa Tortugas Boutique Hotel. It's so beautiful here and I wish I could stay longer. It's so relaxing and just so peaceful and quiet. So let me show you the best part of this place. It's the view, the pool and the lagoon. Absolutely gorgeous. And this actually opens up. So yeah, that's my favorite thing about this place. And pretty much almost, it's nice and light and airy. Almost every window here has a really nice view. I'm gonna go down to the pool later. Here's the living room area. It has a stovetop here. So, and then microwave, coffee maker, toaster, full-size fridge. They also give water, which is great. Let me show you the bedrooms. The 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Apologies for the mess. Air conditioning, always a plus. Lots of space for storage. Again, a beautiful view right from the bed. And this is a king-size bed. Sorry, don't mind the mess. Had slept in it last night. This is the bathroom. Shower. Yep, so this is bedroom number 1. And then now we are gonna go check out bedroom number 2. So there is 2 beds in this particular bedroom. You have 1, 2, and then it opens out into a balcony. I was just saying that I've traveled 3-week trip before with just a personal item size. So it's actually, this is a pretty good bag. I highly recommend. It's the Heinz Eagle bag. Got it on Amazon for like less than $50, but I was able to fit in 6 nights worth of clothes, plus a snorkel mask and other toiletries. So the pro tip for packing light, traveling light, is you wear the bulky items on you, right? So like, for example, for me, this is my outfit for the plane. It's not bulky, but shoes, the jacket for the plane, and also the hat. You don't want to pack that in. You want to wear that on the plane, so there's more room for other stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna head over to the pool, so I'll show you what the rest of this beautiful place looks like. Pretty secure with the gate and the security access code. Shaded area. There's even a hammock here. We'll try to get in there later. There's a kayak. And here is the pool. It's beautiful, large pool. And then this is the lagoon. Very calm. So yeah, this is what this place looks like. It's really beautiful. So thanks for coming along my adventures here in the Riviera Maya, Cancun, Tulum area. Had a great time. I hope you enjoyed the footage that I was able to capture. Probably wasn't totally comprehensive, but at least it gives you an idea if you haven't been here yet. So as always, like to support, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video. See you back in Hawaii. Bye.